Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Web Geolocation API to get your coordinates. So, if I just refresh this page right here and allow location access, wait a few seconds. Oh, there is my latitude right there, and there is my longitude right there. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. And add a doc type tag. Obviously, I'm going to do that. Doc type HTML. And I'm going to add a title. I'm going to call it Web Geolocation API. Close that title tag. And now I'm going to save it just to get those nice HTML colors. WebGeo.html. Next, you're going to want to open a script tag and type navigator dot geolocation dot get current with a capital C, position with a capital P, open parentheses, function, open parentheses, position, close parentheses, open curly braces. Alright, and I'm just going to have it alert your coordinates. So, alert, open parentheses, and in quotes, type latitude. You don't have to do this part, but I'm going to. Latitude. And colon space, close quotes, plus position dot chords, spelled COORDS dot latitude plus, and in quotes, space, longitude, colon, space, close quotes, plus, position, dot, chords, dot, longitude. Alright, close parentheses, semicolon, close curly braces, and close parentheses. Close up that script tag. Alright, save that, and pop open your browser. Okay, developer, find the file on your computer, and drag it into your new tab. Cool. Now, allow location access. And there are my coordinates in that alert box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember that narwhals aren't real.